Hello student. In last session, we studied about the finding value of register, carbon register using color code. Okay. In today's session, we are going to see about the combination of register. What do you mean the register? Register is a device which can limit the flow of current through the circuit. Means it resists the flow of current. Okay, that is a device. To get a required resistance, we have to combine number of resistors in two types. That is series combination and parallel combination. There are two types of the combination. One is series combination and another one is series combination and second one is parallel combination. There are two types of combination of resistor to get the required resistance value which are available resistors. Okay, first one is series combination. In series combination, number of resistors are connected in a single path. For example, number of resistors are connected in a single path. That means a number of resistors, let us consider two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in series, means in a single path where V is the applied voltage. There is a flow of current R through the resistor R1 and R2. In series combination, number of resistors are connected in a single path, means there is the same current flows through each resistor. The same current flows through each resistance. So, but the applied voltage, applied potential is divided into different potential across each resistor. That is, the voltage across resistor R1 is V1, voltage across resistor R2 is V2. So now we have to find out the total resistance in this circuit, applied in the circuit using these two resistors. So the total resistor, let us consider R1 and R2 are the two resistors of resistance, two resistors of resistance, two resistors of resistance R1 and R2. Total resistance, it is series combination. That's why I am going to consider as RS. Total resistance is RS. So, V1 is the voltage across R1. V2 is voltage across R2. So, the R is the flow of current through circuit. Okay. So V is equal to, here the same current flows through R1 and R2. This current flows through, same current flows through R1 and R2. So okay, that is same current through R1 and R2. Okay, that's why. But the voltage is divided into V1 and V2. That's why net voltage V is equal to V1 plus V2. According to Ohm's law, we can apply here Ohm's law. the total current is I into Rs. What is the voltage across? R1 is V1. V1 is nothing but V1 is equal to, that is I into R1 and I into R2. Substitute that value, I into R1 plus I into R2. So what you will get? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. I is common, so I get cancelled. So Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. In this way, if n number of resistors are connected in series, that means the total resistance Rs is equal to for n number of resistors. R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to where? Up to plus Rn. Right? That's why we can say that Rs is equal to summation of all the resistors, that is Ri, where R starts from 1 ends at n. This is the equation for the equivalent resistance in series combination. Equivalent resistance in series combination. Here only two resistors are connected, then we can find out this value as R1 plus R2. If n number of resistors are connected of the same value, means R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to Rn. R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to R4 is equal to Rn. Then in series combination, equivalent value of resistance, n number of resistors, then it is equal to n into R is equal to R1 is equal to R2, n into R is the general formula for n number of resistors when the value of each resistor is equal. Then we can use this equation also. Okay, it is about the series combination. In series combination, you see the flow of current remains same through each resistor. Voltage drop is divided. So voltage is divided. If you want to divide the voltage, you can use the series combination. If you want to increase the resistance, equivalent resistance, if you observe, means Rs is equal to R1 plus R2, means resistance will increase. Total resistance of the circuit will, to increase, we can use the series combination of resistors to increase the series. If resistor increase, voltage drop obviously increase in the flow of current. That is, Rs is to increase the value of resistance in the circuit, we have to use the series combination.